Hello everyone. Welcome back to my chatty, sassy channel here on YouTube where we talk about all things luxury, be it luxury travel, luxury fashion, or life's luxuries in general. And today I'm talking about one of my favorite modern luxury brands, and that is Strathberry. I absolutely love this brand. This brand has been seen on plenty of celebrities as well as royalty. We've seen both Princess Kate and Meghan Markle carry their bags on multiple occasions. I think that we've also seen several other members of the British royal family carrying their bags, and I absolutely love their bags. I have a whole playlist dedicated to Strathberry bags, which I will link down below, which does include a review of the quality of their bags of all sorts of different materials that they have. I will link that video in its own link down below as well if you want to hear more about my thoughts on the brand. But I am so excited because I have not one, not two, but 3 items to unbox for you guys from the Strathberry fall sample sale. So one of the things that I absolutely love about this brand is that they do a sample sale in the spring and in the fall, and as a VIP I get premier access to this sale. They do this sale in person in Edinburgh, but they do a special virtual appointment for me so that I'm able to shop the sale and find some amazing goodies, and I did so this year. The woman who I work with, Maria, has come to really know my style pretty well, and so she was very good at gauging some of the items that I was going to like, and they were the items I ended up picking, and I am just so excited to get to share them with you guys. But these 3 items are not all for me. One item is going to be a gift, one item I'm keeping for myself, but one item is for you guys. I'm getting very close to hitting 3K subscribers, and once I hit that 3,000 subscriber mark, I will be doing the giveaway, but I'm going to go ahead and unbox the giveaway in this video. This is going to be the giveaway video, and then what happens is once I hit that 3,000 mark, I will give it 24 hours for more entries, and then I will do the drawing for the winner. This is open to anyone, anywhere in the world, and I am so excited about getting to share a brand that I truly love with you guys and to be getting to give away a bag. It is a bag. And so with that, I'm going to get into the unboxings to show you guys what I got, and then I'm going to talk about the T's and C's of the giveaway. So with that, let's get into it. So the first item that I'm going to show is the item that I'm keeping for myself, and this was the very first item that I picked out in the sale when Maria was showing me around on, I don't know if she was using an iPad or if she was using her phone when she was doing this, but when she was showing me the different items, this was like the first thing that I saw, and I was being like, what is that? That I'm interested in, that I have never seen before. And the reason that I've never seen it before is because it's not just a one-of-one material for a bag style. It is a one-of-one bag. They never made this bag style. This is the only one that exists, and I am really, really excited about it. Strathberry has recently launched a new clutch, and I believe that this was one of the alternative designs for that clutch. But I'm so excited. It is this gorgeous black mock croc bag, and it is indeed a clutch. It does fit my phone. It fits my phone, my card holders, my key fob, and a lipstick, and that's really all that I needed to hold. But it fits those things, and the way that it opens is that I pull out the little clasp, and then the magnets flop down, and I'm able to get into the bag. It does come with a crossbody chain strap, although really this is probably more of a shoulder. Oh no, it will go crossbody. But the way that they have done the clips is that there are 2 little D-rings here, and I just think this is such a cute bag. I do honestly wish that this had been a navy croc instead of the black croc, because I do have my black croc stylist that I use, but there have been occasions where I've wished that my stylist was smaller, because it is a surprisingly large bag for as small as it looks, and I was wanting something that was more this profile. So when I saw this, I knew that this had to come home with me. I'm not getting rid of my stylist to replace it with this. I will keep both in my collection, but I'm just so excited. And like, I do truly think that like Strathberry has the best mock croc finish I mean, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous finish on this bag, and I am so excited to have a one-of-one bag from the brand. This is definitely going in my special bags collection. So that is what I got for myself, but what did I get for you guys? So it is a smaller bag. It could potentially even be classified as an SLG, but I got for you guys the Strathberry wallet on chain. So this is a bag that Kate Middleton carried when they were initially launching the bag. She carried it in a navy mock croc, and I have really thought about getting that bag multiple times, but I saw this snake skin and I was between this and the metallic lizard finish, and Maria made a really good point of that this is something that can go so well no matter the season, and it's something that metallic bags are really in right now, but they aren't going to be in for forever. This is a little bit more timeless, and I thought that the colors on this snakeskin were just really beautiful and very natural. This is not actual python. It is a leather that has been made to feel like python, and like there is a feel of scales on this. I don't even know like how they did this with the leather, but I think this is really beautiful. It does fit a iPhone 11 Pro. That's the size that I have. I checked in it. I was able to put in my cards, my phone, and my key fob. And then it does, as it is a wallet on chain, come with a chain strap. And then it does have the snakeskin on the shoulder part of the chain strap. It is, of course, detachable, and it detaches here to little D-rings. And then on the inside, you have a ton of card slots, open compartment, zip pocket on the back. And so this is what the giveaway item is going to be, and I think that is a really beautiful version color-wise of the snakeskin, because it's sort of like a minty green, but this is a very natural looking python without being actual python. And as I went on a hunt this year for a wallet on chain, and I made a few videos talking about wallet on chains, I thought this was a really good way to wrap up the year for 3K. And then the final item that I got, if you are someone who I give Christmas gifts to, a family member who I give Christmas gifts to, birthday gifts to, please look away from this video because I don't want to spoil anything that you are going to get this year. So the final item is going to be for someone that I am giving as a gift, because I thought that this was a color that they would really love, that would look really good on them, and a really just beautiful piece. And I love Strathberry's cashmere pieces. I have multiple. This one is one that I got last year in the sample sale. Last year's sample sale? No, I got this in the spring in the sample sale. I'm wearing one of their ponchos currently that didn't go into production, and so this is a color that didn't go into production, and it is a gorgeous cashmere royal blue fringed scarf, and it is just so pretty and beautiful. Gorgeous royal blue, very soft, and also very long. My biggest issue with my Burberry scarves is that they are not really long enough for me to be able to wrap the way that I like to have enough like tail length underneath. This one is not going to be a problem. Strathberry makes a very good length cashmere scarf, and so I'm very happy to have gotten this at a steal of a deal. It was like 75% off for this cashmere scarf of their regular prices for the scarves, so I was super thrilled to get this and to get to give it to someone in my family as their very first piece of Strathberry. Hello, Marco. My puppy is walking around here. If you see a furry head pop up, it is probably hers. Marco, come here. Come here. Hi. You want to say hi to the camera? Oh, and here's my other golden too. I'm being attacked by goldens. Give me a minute. Yes. Yes, I love you. Good girl. Okay, get down. Get down. Good girl. Hi, Chloe. Yes, Chloe, do you want to get up here and say hi too? Come here, Chloe. Come on. Oh, and then here's Chloe. Yes, I have two goldens while I'm trying to film this video. And so that wraps up the unboxings for this video. I hope that you have enjoyed seeing what it is that I got in the sample sale. I do post the sample sale links to register for a potential virtual spot in the sample sale for the general public. As soon as I'm given that link and permission to post it, I post it on my community wall. Usually I also post it on my Instagram stories, so make sure that you are following me over there for that. But the T's and C's for the giveaway. First off, because it is a subscriber giveaway, obviously you gotta be subscribed to this channel. And then to enter the giveaway, you just need to leave a comment below of what Strathberry piece it is that interests you the most, whether it's from this video, from one of my other videos, a item that I haven't done a review on that you'd like to see me do a review on. I am just wanting to get some feedback from you guys about what it is that you love from this brand. So with that, that is all that you have to do. I also have a post up on Instagram. If you go to the post that shows 2 Strathberry items in black Strathberry bags, I will have it pinned to the top. If you go there and comment on that and share that, you will also get a bonus entry in this giveaway. And this giveaway will close 24 hours after I hit 3,000 subscribers. So make sure to be subscribed so that we can hit 3K and I can do this giveaway, hopefully in plenty of time for the holidays. And with that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, everybody. Bye!